status underscore access underscore denied error in Microsoft Edge. And if your browser won't load pages, let me ask you, are you opening Edge and seeing status underscore access underscore denied when trying to visit websites or access certain features? This problem usually happens because cache is corrupted, site permissions are blocked, or system files prevent proper access. Sometimes recent Windows updates, extensions, or security software also trigger the error. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated cache clears, risky registry edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not resolve the issue. But on Rexus, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here is my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling Edge blindly, we fix the exact cache, permission paths, and system configuration that causes status underscore access underscore denied. This works because it restores proper communication between Edge and Windows. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows PCs once you apply it. Edge loads pages normally. Features work correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexus shares smart, stress-free solutions. If status underscore access underscore denied in Microsoft Edge is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.